So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Let me see, where is my screen? Can you see the screen? All of you, can you see the screen? Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
able? Yeah. What is there in the screen?
Ma'am, interfacing DC motors with 8051 microcontroller, speed control of DC motor with 8051 microcontroller.
Yeah. Okay, good. So yesterday we were talking about direction control of DC motors, isn't it? So today we will talk about speed control of DC motor. Now, what we have seen yesterday, that when you have to interface motors with 8051 microcontroller, then you cannot directly interface it with the port pins of 8051 microcontroller. Why? Because the current capability of port pins of 8051 microcontroller is not sufficient to drive the motor. So even if your motor is of 5 volt, and even if 8051 supply is also of 5 volt, still you cannot drive 5 volt motor with 8051. Why? Because the current capability is not sufficient to drive the motor. So what we do, we connect this L293D IC. This IC we connect L293D. This is a motor driver IC. So we connect it to port pins, port 1.0 and 1.1. So when I put FE onto the port, FE means all these pins will be 1111, except this pin will be 0. So this will be 0, this will be 1. And now we have seen, yesterday we have seen that L293D motor driver IC is 16-pin IC, and it is having 4 drivers inside it. And DC motor is having 2 terminals. So 2 terminals means with 2 pairs are sufficient for us. Input 1 and output 1, input 2 and output 2. So what we do, we connect the input pins to port pins, and we connect the output pins. Now these are having more current strength. This we connect it to DC motor. And there is a pin in this particular IC, VSS, which is used for VCC. So this VCC is similar to 8051, this supply. And here is VS, that is motor supply. So whatever may be your motor, whether it is 12 volt motor, 24 volt, so this pin has to be given the supply accordingly. If it is 12 volt, then this pin should get 12 volt. If this is 24 volt motor, then this pin should get 24 volt supply. This 12 volt, 24 volt is isolated from 8051 microcontroller supply. Now inputs we connect with pull-ups. 10K pull-ups are used. Pull-up, this is pulled up to VCC. Now we were talking about speed control. Speed control means either you move the motor fast or you move the motor slow. So let's say that for this particular time we want to move the motor faster, and then we want to, for this particular time we want to move the motor slower. Then what should we do? Because this motor, this is having 2 polarities, positive and negative polarity. So positive, if positive is getting to positive and negative is given to negative, then it will move in forward direction. This is all about direction. But when we talk about speed, then speed is different from your power, this supply. How much volt you are giving, that is not dependent. What is dependent for speed? The time duration, for how long you are giving the supply to the motor. So if you have the clock period of this much duration, and for this indicates that your motor is getting 1 and 0. So 1 for 1 positive and 0 for 0, and then for this much duration the motor is not getting any supply. So 0 0. both the pins are having 0 0. So this is for this much period motor is getting positive supply, and for this period motor is not getting any supply. Then again for this period motor is getting positive supply, and for this period motor is not getting any supply. So suppose if you continue this pattern for certain duration, let's say this for this much duration, then it will move faster because it is getting more positive supply for more time. But similarly, if you want to run it into slower speed, then what you have to do, you have to give the positive supply for smaller duration. Let's say for this duration I am giving positive supply, and for this much duration motor is off. Then again positive supply for this much duration motor is off. Then again positive supply for this much duration motor is off. So for this particular duration motor will move in slower direction. So how to implement this in program? Wait, what we do, sir, let's say suppose if you want to run the motor for the same duration for faster and same duration for slower, then we will put one count in R7 register counter. This is a counter, and what we are taking initial pattern as FE. FE means all these pins will be 111 except port 1.0 will be 0. So this pin is getting 0 and this pin is getting 1. So whichever direction it is moving, positive or negative, whatever may be, the motor will start moving. And you all know that port pins are latched. Latched means unless until you don't change the status on the port. हाँ गुड मॉर्निंग सर. जी सर. हाँ हाँ जी सर. जी. हाँ अक्टूबर अक्टूबर वाला. हाँ हाँ करा सकते हैं. तो मैं एक्चुअली मैं वो कल के प्रोग्राम में ये लोग बहुत ज्यादा बिजी है ना, तो मैं डायरेक्ट अनिल कुमार जी से फिर बात करना ठीक नहीं समझी. तो मैंने कहा कि जब थोड़ा सा मुझे ऐसा इंडिकेशन हो जाएगा कि वो फ्री वगैरह हो गए हैं तो फिर मैं उस समय बात रख दूंगी. तब आपने कहा है तो इस वाले की बात हम लोग कर लेते हैं. अगर एक बार को कर ले कि मिशन शक्ति आपके साथ कराना चाह रहे हैं तो थोड़ा ज्यादा इफेक्टिव हो जाएगा. क्योंकि हाँ, तो आप तो कभी भी फोन मिला सकते हो. हाँ इस सैटरडे को कर लेते हैं मॉर्निंग में. तब तक मैं बच्चों की भी टीम बना लेती हूँ, लड़कियों को बोल देती हूँ, एक गर्ल कोऑर्डिनेटर बना देती हूँ, तो जो सबको मतलब मैसेज सर्कुलेट कर देगी गर्ल्स को. और बाकी सब Yeah, sorry. Actually, there was a urgent phone call. So what we were talking about when we want to move it into, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So when we want to move it into faster, let's say now we will take one example that this off duration is 25% and this on duration is 75%. Whatever may be the timing of that timing, the off duration is 25% and on duration is 75%. So what we can do, instead of writing separate delay, we can write one delay for 25% timing. Let's say this timing is 10 milliseconds, and this timing this timing will be 3 times more, that is 30 milliseconds. So if I write 10 milliseconds delay, then for 30 milliseconds I have to call that 3 times, isn't it? Because my duty cycle is on time is 75% and off time is 25%. So when I take if this is the case, my God, actually. Yeah, am I audible? Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, actually my net got disconnected. So so what we'll do, I will write the program for whatever may be this duration delay program, and for on time, because it is 3 times more, I will call this delay for 3 times. Then what we were putting 10 on this particular line. Then to put the motor off, we have to put 00 on these pins. So 00 on this, 0 here, 0 here. So it will become FC. FC. So by putting FC, we are putting motor off. Now for how much duration we have to put it off? For 25% duration. So I will call delay only for one time. And now this process, for how many times we have to repeat this process? We have to repeat this process for FF times, because we want to run the motor faster for this particular duration. So I will decrement the count R7 counter and it will move in sequence. Like for FF times it will move. So this way the motor now is moving in faster speed. Now suppose if I, oh, sorry. And suppose if I want to move it in slower direction, then what we have to do? First we have to put it off. Then when you will put it on, here we were calling for on time, we were calling delay thrice, but here we will call delay only once because on time is less. And for off time, when I'm putting FC, for off time we have to call the delay for 3 times. Then we will decrement the counter by 1 and we will again run this for FF times. So for this FF times, the motor will move faster with this program, and for FF time, the motors will move slower for this particular program. So is it clear? Suppose if you have different delays, like here we talked about 75% and 25%. But suppose if you have different, like let's say this is 40%, let's say this is 60% or 40%. Then instead of writing 20% delay and calling it for twice and here for thrice, what we'll do, we'll write 2 separate delay programs for 40%, 60% and for 40%. So for 60% timing, one delay program will be there, delay 1, and for 40%, another delay program will be there, delay 2. So here then in that case, you will call here a call delay 1, and here you will call, in this case, you will call here as delay 2. Understood? Is it clear? If I want to have 60% on time and 40% off time, then for 60% I will write the delay program as delay 1, and for 40% I will write the delay program as delay 2. So here instead of delay, now I have to call a call delay 1 only once because it is already for 60%. So only one time I will call a call delay 1. Then when I put it off, I have to call a call delay 2. So this we will repeat. So this is clear now. Anybody is having any problem with speed control of DC motor? So I will share this link also. I will share this link also on your WhatsApp group. It is already available because I had taken this lecture for your senior batch on 20 online through YouTube video 29th March. So it's there. This video is also there on YouTube, and this particular link also I will share with you. So direction control, speed control, is it okay for you? And what we'll do if we want to we want to accelerate the motor, then what should be the strategy?
Then we'll slowly increase the pulse width.
Good. If slowly we have to increase on time. Pulse, that on time of the pulse. So it will start from less on time and gradually it will raise to long time on time. Let me see whether this is available here or not, acceleration part. Speed control. Yes. See here what we are doing. So to accelerate the motor, first you have to put the 50 millisecond pulse for avoiding the initial inertia. Because when you start with slower supply, immediately it will not move. It wants some faster supply. So first you have to put the pulse of 50 milliseconds just to overcome with initial inertia. And then what you will do, you will then start with slower duration pulses. So for this much duration, you will start with slower on time, and then slowly you will increase on time. So and then for this much duration you will increase on time, then again for next duration you will again increase on time. So likewise you will accelerate, because when you are increasing the speed gradually, that means you are accelerating. So when you, so will you be able to write the program for acceleration? How will you have to put this type of pulses? Let's say for this, you can take one counter as R7FF, and again for here, so same counter will be there, but you have to increase the on time. So it's a matter of delay. You have to change the delay. You will put the same thing onto the motor supply pins, but delay you have to change. For this, the delay will be different. For this, the delay will be different. For this, it will be different. It will be different. So you have to manage with the delay. You have to write the program accordingly. So acceleration, this you have to do it in assignment. Acceleration of DC motors. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you have any questions, you can ask me. How many girls are there in your class? Girls? Rough idea, numbers, total number of girls. Rough idea. You can start writing your attendance. Anybody is having any idea how many girls are there in your class?
15 girls.
15. Okay, good. So let me share the screen in the chat box. Link. Copy. To chat. This is the link for the speed control, which I have put in chat box. If you see my this YouTube channel, then it is available in liked videos. Are you able to see this particular clearly? This particular screen clearly? Because this is available, so that's why I'm not preparing the PPTs for this. Already it is available. So all of you have written the attendance. Has everybody written the attendance? If so, shall I close it?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ.
मैम वो कल वाली वीडियो लेक्चर अपलोड कब करेंगे आप?
जो क्लास वाली, अच्छा वो YouTube पे आपने नहीं देखा क्या लेक्चर वीडियो? मुझे करना पड़ेगा तो मैं कर दूंगी, आज कर दूंगी.
मैम जो क्लास वाली होती है उसकी बात मैं कर रहा था.
हाँ, क्लास वाली मैं कर दूंगी. मैंने सोचा कि एक्चुअली ये YouTube वीडियो है तो फिर आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी उसकी. कर दूंगी मैं
मैम
उसको.
वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन मैम बीच में जो आप जैसे असाइनमेंट वगैरह भी देते हैं तो
हाँ
उसमें थोड़ी
हाँ
हेल्प मिल जाती है इससे.
हाँ हाँ, ठीक ठीक ठीक. हाँ ठीक है, मैं कर दूंगी.
ओके, थैंक
ठीक है
यू.
ना, आज कर दूंगी मैं, दोनों कर दूंगी मैं. तो
ओके
ये
मैम, थैंक यू.
अगर, हाँ, ये सबका हो गया तो फिर मैं अभी क्लास क्लोज का एंड करूँ. ट्यूटोरियल क्लास यू विल डू विद द एक्सेलरेशन. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही हो तो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो, बता सकते हो. थोड़ा ट्यूटोरियल क्लासेस है इसलिए मैं भी बहुत ज्यादा लोड नहीं डालती हूँ आप लोगों के ऊपर. Is it okay now? So shall we end the
यस मैम.
meeting? हाँ.
यस मैम, श्योर मैम.
Yeah. Yes. Stop sharing.